Okay, we all done for the day. How you feel?
Tired.
You got a little sweat on your face.
I know. I'm a working woman.
You think you gonna make it this summer?
Yes.
I don't know. You look a little worn out.
Who they wanna see? Mayweather and Pacquiao. Look at me now, I touch the track and smoke it like a black and mild. Never see me backing down. Jurassic Park, ass around. Who the king? What the throne? I'm shooting at it, cap and gown.
Okay, y'all. We are at our first property.
First day.
Her first official day mowing. Mowing, y'all, mowing. I know some people like, well, she been working with you. No. She been at her job, and we did leaf jobs and some moss jobs together, but we haven't did mowing. Mowing, like I said, mowing is a little different. Luckily, it's cool today, but mowing is a little different. We got about 8, 9, 10 houses. You know, some people just keep adding on. You gotta get that money while you can. How you feeling? Okay. Ooh, traffic was mother trucker to get here. She put her boots on, the vest. We gonna walk the property. You always, if you got a helper, always walk the property with them. Just don't throw them out there. Drew, rest in peace, Drew. Drew, make sure he showed me the property line. If I'm weeding, if I'm blowing, he showed me, and that helped a lot. So I really thank him for that, because now I took what he did into my own thing. Lord, she done blew it the other way. She gonna have to re-blow that. She's still learning, y'all. Take 20 minutes to get out the vehicle.
What?
As some people don't know, you can't get in this. The 36 can't fit through here.
Where?
So that's why we got you. So it's gonna be push mo key. Oh, tell them people how many houses you blew? 4?
4.
She did 4.
4 or 5.
I don't know. She did.
One of the 2.
She did either 4 or 5. And I knew it was tall. Yup. So you might be back here a little while. He used to have a trampoline right there, but he got rid of it.
On the front?
Yeah, I'm mowing the front, and then I'm weed eating. I'll probably end up blowing by the time you get done with this. So yeah, this is what you gotta push mow. You know what you do. Outline the property, outline it, and that's when you go up and down, up and down, up and down. Put that tire right on where your last line was. Be careful, because it is bricks and stuff like right here. I might have to come back here and weed eat it before you outline it. Yeah. That's the way she don't mess my blade up, and I gotta go slide her head. Oh Lord. It's a dog back here. Oh Lord. Hurry up. Hurry up. Had to tag it right there. Got a squad. Any day now. Gonna start it. Keep going. It's cold.
How many times you want me to do it?
Until it start up. It's cold. All right, okay, go ahead. I'm gonna walk with her, y'all. I gotta slow it down. I gotta slow it down when you get in the tall grass or cut off. Back it up. Try to get that tight up in there. Back it up. Uh-huh. Let's go that way. I got a weed eat that. Oh, back it up. Okay. Look at that, y'all. She's running into stuff. With the bug wheels. No. Right there. All right, turn it around. She gonna tear somebody's fence up. Do that last. That way you can just go across that and that's it. So now, go up and down, up and down. I'm gonna let her handle that. She'll figure it out. Okay, y'all, this is what Key did. She got her little lines going. I just finished weed eating. So, yup, she actually did really good. We're gonna have to blow that. Good. Okay, so how was it push mowing Pat's backyard?
It wasn't too bad.
She kept going over the same spot. I'm like, it's cut, it's cut.
It just didn't look like it was low enough. Like with yours, with the right, it looked like it get like low.
Well, I didn't want to mow his backyard too low.
But it looked like it was getting much lower. So I'm trying to at least make it look pretty.
It looked fine compared to what it was looking like.
Yeah, that's true.
These leaves are scraws. So I just got my nose going, y'all.
Only thing that's really like hard with the push mower is turning them corners. Other than that, I feel like I did good.
Yup, so y'all get her some pointers on push
Cutting them
mower.
corners.
Okay, y'all, we're here at the $1 million property. She getting it done. Okay.
It's a lot of geese droppings here. A lot. This is the driest I've ever seen this yard. Right there.
Hey! She gotta learn how to blow in one way. would have been better coming from right here going up. Because now look, there's stuff right there. So it's a learning progress. It's a learning progress. Because this is one of those properties where it just takes so long to well, I say these little spots. Tired yet? Like just no gas. Just there you go. That's it. There you go. You tired, ma'am? I know, I think I might have missed the spot, y'all.
Who?
Me.
You?
Yup, right here. I missed the spot, y'all. We are at our last property and she is on the mower. It's a big yard, so she can ride. The backyard is already terrible. So if she do not turn right, it's okay, because look at this. Look at the holes everywhere. But there she go, Miss Famous Key. So right now, all she needs to do is to learn how to line the mower up with what she already cut. Once she get that down, I think she'll be okay. So you need to get this. Turn around. Don't turn around in that hole, please. Okay, that's good. So she need to come over here. Hey, it's not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad. Right here. Oh, excuse me, go ahead. That right kind of fit her perfect, don't it, y'all? Okay. Okay, she got it. She got it. She got it in her own little way. And okay, y'all, we are all done
For the day.
for the day. So in the comments, let me know how you think Miss Key over here did, because she got her own little fan base over here on the channel.
On the Cutter Squad.
On the Cutter Squad. So leave her some keys, leave us some scissors.
Key and scissors.
Key and some scissors. Key scissors. What else? What else you want to say? How was your first day?
It was good. It wasn't too bad.
7 houses.
I think I did good for my first day.
Yeah, we let her ride the mower on the big yard.
Mm-hmm. It was fun.
She just got to know how to
Turn.
Well,
do that 3-point turn.
yeah, but that backyard was already
Messed up.
yeah. And what else? Oh, she knew to learn how to. Could you see what you already cut?
Yes, but no. I could in some spaces, but some places no, I couldn't.
Yeah, it looked like it.
Yeah.
So
I could tell.
her turning, and she got to be able to line it up just like the push mower. The push mower looked like she did good back there. I ain't see no stragglers or nothing, but with the right, you had some parts where you didn't line it up, but that'll come with time. On the blower, she did good on the blower.
I'm a pro.
She's semi-pro on the blower. The only thing was she would blow, and then you will walk away,
and then blow right back,
and it'll blow right back on the yard. And I'd be like, I was like, no, she gotta go re-blow this again. And then, oh, I forgot.
But it is kind of windy today, so
yeah, it is kind of windy.
that could have been why too.
Yeah, so she just gotta pay attention when she blowing, because sometimes you will blow some stuff and it'll blow right back, and it's all over it again. So sometimes you gotta maneuver and all that maneuver, like, oh, let me stand at the end of the driveway and blow that way, you know.
Yeah,
It'll come with time. But I ain't had to blow nothing, so I was chilling, really.
I think we did a good job.
But I think we did okay.
7 houses, and we got done at what, 2:30?
Yeah.
2:30. That's not
We
bad.
would have been done quicker if we didn't go to that house. That I don't know. It might be a scam or something. I don't know. You get that?
A suspicious house.
It was suspicious. And then, you know, Miss Thang over here got to take all these bathroom breaks.
It was one. It was only one today, and it was after the 3rd house.
Yeah.
So that's not bad.
Okay. So
at least the one after the 1st house.
Yeah. So anything else to say?
No.
Okay. Well, we are out. This is a long video. Scissors in the comments. And I don't know how you do no keys.
Some keys.
Okay.
And we out.